CES People's Choice Award winner Razer Kishi brings to you a universal gaming controller that perfectly fits most Android and iOS devices and lets you play cloud gaming on your mobile. This universal mobile gaming controller comes with a ton of special features that will get you game like a pro. But first, let's unbox and see what's inside. The Kishi just slides out right without any difficulty. And as you can see, the top part of inside of the cover box has a lot of padding in it here to keep the device safe and secure as it's shipped across the globe. First in here is the controller itself that comes in one piece, along with the user manual and Razer stickers with the Razer logo and a little sticker that says Razer over it. The user manual carries how to guide instructions, and also, if you check the reverse side of the controller, you do see some literature over here too, to quickly guide you through the process. At first look, this console-level gaming controller seems like two separate controllers interleagued by a stretchable support band that allows it to be stretched and clamped on most phones, providing a secure hold that will never come loose while you game. It's pretty easy to start. You need to flip it over, pull on these tabs to extend the stretchable supportive band, and carefully adjust your smartphone into the USB-C port on the right side and stretch the other end of the controller onto the top of your phone. Just be a little careful here, as you might end up overextending the band. This needs to be taken into account that to enjoy all the features of this gaming controller, you will need a relatively newer Android smartphone with USB-C port to get you start gaming and take advantage of this console-level mobile gaming controller. The controller is laid out just like an Xbox controller, with hardware controls like the clickable analog thumbsticks that feels great to the fingers and equally refined for greater accuracy and tactile feedback during battles. This universal gaming controller is supported by an array of face and bumper buttons, as well as the 8-way D-pad for the extra inputs. These face buttons and D-pad buttons and the L2 and R2 trigger buttons on the top, they all feel comfortable, rigid and unbreakable. Overall, the look and feel of this controller speaks volumes of the ergonomic design that gives you a comfortable handheld grip to your long gaming sessions. The center mouth USB-C port here is what connects the controller to your mobile device. And because it directly connects to your device's charging port, this mobile gaming controller is able to provide ultra-low latency connection with instant response. And there you go, with real-time access and instant button response for smooth and seamless controls. The other upside to the direct connection of the controller to your device is that when your phone starts running low while you are gaming, you certainly do not need to detach the controller to give it a charge. With the controller still attached to your phone, you can simply hook up a charging cable to the controller itself to get the device charging. Meanwhile, the controller uses the charge from your smartphone, which indeed can be charged through the external USB-C port via the new pass-through charging feature that will give you the A-level gaming experience on any screen, anywhere with an internet connection. And what's gaming like without any great audio support? That's like watching football without any commentary. This universal gaming controller by Razer Kishi comes with dual speaker ports that fit right above your phone speaker to amplify the cloud gaming experience on your smartphones. Some other things to note is that here's an LED light on the right hand side of the controller to let you know it's well connected and working properly. If it's not on, just make sure it's securely connected to your phone. It can easily fit screen devices as big as any 6.4-inch screen Android phones like the Galaxy Note, Vivo X60, OnePlus 9 Pro, or even 6.9-inch phones like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. It also supports iPhone 12, iPhone 11 Max, iPhone X Max, iPhone 8 Plus and other iOS devices. With Razer Kishi in your bag, you can bring your A-game anytime, anywhere. This good-feeling compact little controller that lets you play advanced mobile gaming including continuous AAA gameplay with proper physical controls is a must-have accessory for Xbox and Android gamers. Razer has designed this mobile gaming controller to fit almost any Android and iOS devices. And as it folds up to a fairly portable square with ease, this Kishi, which is approximately 3.71 by 5.28 by 1.47 inches large, can fit it into your bag pretty darn easily, making it easy to carry anywhere where you go. To get the full Razer Kishi controller experience, you can download the Razer Kishi app from the official App Store for your Android and iOS devices and experience advanced mobile gaming, including Xbox, Android, Google Stadia, and GeForce Now game streaming. This Razer Kishi app provides for game discovery and servers as a launcher for your installed games like the Stardew Valley, Fortnite, Pascal's Wager, Dead Cells and more. Let us know in the comment section what games would you like to play with the ultimate Razer Kishi. Like and subscribe the channel for more product details and reviews.